What up, y'all? This is it, man. Part 3, about to put this thing back together. Just got done with the last part. Man, I'm saying, and I messed up. I'm gonna have to wipe it out again before I start putting it together, though. Cause look at this right here. I did that just a little bit ago. I went ahead and put my skid plate on. I had my bike sitting straight up. And I sprayed the bottom of it off. I was like, man, I still got a lot of mud at the bottom. I sprayed the bottom of it off. Mud was flying everywhere. So I might have to wipe it off again before I start putting it together, though. Yeah. That's it, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started, though. All right, y'all, there it is, man. We all back together. Look good. I like them tires. They go hard. Can't wait to get them dirty. No, I'm lying. Keep it clean for a little bit. Still got some more stuff to do too. I gotta lube up my chain, stuff like that. Stuff I'm gonna do off camera. Might paint my bumper, get it back right. But as of right now, she is rideable plastics back on, looking good. And I got a little bit more stuff to do to it, man. Oh, we ain't done yet. Stay tuned, y'all. This just the end of the teardown that I was doing. It's part 3 of it, but stay tuned for a couple more videos. So we got coming up for the KFX 450. Go on.